So how could you get some sort of prize, a TGC or OGC, if you got a Senate, license Senate, like, do exist? It's terrible. The dog doesn't exist. Hey, dog, if you exist, and this is the last place human exists in, as far as I can tell, make yours, mate, come over and introduce himself in person right now. You know, the dog that can stand as a person, who can get, like, speech therapy for all of you to talk again, like normally happens with all the animals. At least the insects here are still chatting, like the ants. Well, my friend is a bit close from here. I want them. We're not in an army bags there. Chatting away, they go to each other from all time. Still no knock at the door. Well, from my basis, this is how you make money. There is,
Who's up? Who's up? Pardon? Oh, hello, Chrissy. Oh, you're really right at the house. Alright, how are you?
oh, it's Chrissy. Sorry, it's not Knock at the dog. It's only Chrissy. It's not an Aussie for either. It's indigenous. Track off. Film grim with me.
Just think you like the house.
So,
Move some shelves. Move some shelves.
so there's still been no Osmotic person to knock at the door for the dog. You did? Sure. Oh, just give me, I'll just finish my video and log. So, this is how you could make a PowerPoint, you know, these TGC, in TGC and OGC is winning a prize off the Senate science area. You know, even got the whole Galactic Senate's in here. If you look up in science, library, research, you'll find somewhere if you search in there for the hideous yak creatures migrating as dogs. Like, by my base, they make these big 2 and 3 story, Icelandic creatures, like, you know, Poodle with the thick neck, that's really ownership about the people she owns. If you imagine dealing with that in 3 stories, all we've had today is canine teeth. It's a vegetarian. The one's the Royal King Charles Spaniel, actually sheared for wool, cashmere. It's normally 2.5 stories tall. Like their bay sounds like a bark, and they migrate for some reason within dogs. And it's not because I'm here either, do it anyway. And they're both here, and no one's recorded those two, and I haven't even got a clue how those two are even just here together. They're like 2 different worlds. As looking like dogs. But believe it or not, the poo that comes out of those two, if you're examining poo, you have to actually look at with a time device that shows the real time. Any of those, if you're feeding it power coming out looking like poo, you can put this device that shows a real view in time. Looks just like the POW. Like, you only feed those vegetarian biscuits. Just like a game of teeth, they haven't talked about it. They eat me. 3 stomachs, not 2. So, I'll point that out about our pets. You put in new chasm, so we're dying every time. So it just doesn't work to brain out dogs to make weird sex tapes about scribbles. Less than 1. It's twins having sex. Without their names correct. Voices all the time.